Stop using nobody's perfect as an excuse to lower your standards. Ako, I admit, I make mistakes. Pero does that mean na bababaan ko na ang standards ko? Never. Ito real talk lang ha. Hindi excuse ang risk of failure para ibaba ang standard. Kahit ako, I'm not perfect. Nagkakamali din naman ako. May mga moments na hindi ko nai-hit yung sarili kong standards at benchmark. Pero, itong conviction ko, I would rather risk failing than risk lowering my own standard. Kasi once na ibinaba mo ang standard mo dahil ikaw ay natatakot, tapos ka na. You just trained everyone, including yourself, na okay lang maging mediocre or average. Pero hindi naman ganon ang leadership. Ang leadership is, standards are not supposed to adjust to behavior. Behavior must adjust to standards. Gusto mo bang mas gumanda palalo ang takbo ng buhay mo? Ang kailangan mo ay tamang mindset, tamang skill set, at tamang direksyon. Para talagang alam mo ang mga step na gagawin para magkaroon ng pagbabago, instant shift at instant change sa iyong buhay. Paano kung meron ka ng oportunidad na magkaroon ng immersive experience ng pagbabago? Alam mo, sumama ka sa December 13 sa isang event na tinatawag na Grand Exponential You Summit. Immersive experience that could possibly bring instant change in your life. Beginning with your mindset and then to your heart, to your soul, and of course, tamang skills. Ang best part, hindi ito 15,000. Sa halagang 999 only, magkakaroon ka na ng ticket dito. Register today. Not next year, not next month, not next week, not tomorrow. Register today and reserve your slots. This is Coach Migs, your Chief Strategist.